Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking the platform that matches your delivery. Unity for apps, WebAR for browsers, ARKit/AR Core for native. Next, get a device with depth or good camera. This impacts tracking reliability. Import a layered reference, SVG for lines, PSD for texture, so you can isolate strokes. Once done, set your project units to match real-world scale and enable plane detection. This prevents misscaled overlays and ensures your drawn AR anchors align with the physical surface. Now build the drawing system. Capture input and convert it into world space points by raycasting onto detected planes or depth meshes. Use smoothing and simplify algorithms to reduce noise. This preserves visual fidelity and lowers CPU/GPU load. Then generate geometry, tube or ribbon meshes, or render to a texture using render texture so you can edit later. Make sure to sync stroke timestamps for playback and to use batching so your app stays snappy when many strokes accumulate. Finish by baking dynamic strokes into persistent anchors or a single mesh so placement survives session restores. This makes sharing and saving straightforward. Export a lightweight GLB for distribution or a high-res texture if you need print quality output. Test across devices and optimize export size. If tracking drifts, recalibrate sensors, add fiducial markers, or fall back to depth mesh anchoring. These steps quickly restore alignment. Finally, make backups of session data to prevent irreversible loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.